Blaine High School. Welcome to the Trimester 3 Policy Review. As a reminder, Blaine High School is focused on relationship-focused learning through the growth mindset, instructional equity, and standards-based instruction. Students, you are responsible for everything in the secondary handbook. The handbook is located at the BHS website under the Handbook Planner tab. Violation of any of the following policies can result in disciplinary action. Let's work together to have a great Trimester 3. Students, you should have been issued student ID cards. Please have them with you at all times during school activities and during the school day. Dances, games, and events may require you to show your ID card. As always, if you're asked to identify yourself by a staff member, please cooperate. Attendance and tardies. It is expected that you be in your class when the bell rings. Please adhere to your teacher's policies. Repeated tardiness may result in detention, MLC, truancy, or loss of credit. Be on time, be ready to grow and learn. Attendance is a major factor in the success of your classes. Academic honesty. Students are expected to produce work that represents your own effort and mastery towards learning targets. In accordance with these values, students are expected to adhere to the standards of academic integrity. Academic integrity violations may result in disciplinary actions. If you need help, work with your teachers. They will provide the best environment they can for you to demonstrate your growth in their content. As we all know, the parking lot is a crowded place. Parking permits are required for all automobile parking. Parking lot fees apply to all STEP students, part-time, PSEO, work program, and internships. Please watch your speed. The south portion of the front lot is reserved for staff and staff only from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. If you have questions about parking lot, please see Mr. Barnett or the security personnel. Space is very limited. Please take care of the area and obey all traffic laws. If you abuse parking lot rules, your parking permit could be suspended or revoked. The lunchroom. Please continue to clean up after yourselves. It is no one's responsibility but yours to make sure that your trash and tray end up in the required places. Please go above and beyond to make this space inviting and welcoming. Thank you. Passes. As in the previous 2 trimesters, you will receive a hall pass with 12 individual passes. Students, you will have your name listed on both sides of the hall pass, and you cannot use other students' hall passes. If you do lose your passes, please see your assistant principal, and they will determine if another pass will be issued and how many will be issued for the remainder of the trimester. The hallways are generally crowded. Please be thoughtful in the hallway and where your group stands. Please make sure that the main walkways are clear so other students can move to class. Thank you. Bullying and harassment. Our goal is to maintain a learning environment that is good for all. Harassment and bullying of any kind will not be tolerated. Joking or teasing is not an excuse. If you are a victim for harassment or bullying, please reach out to a trusted adult, a teacher, counselor, or assistant principal. Any evidence of harassment, please report immediately. Social media and cell phone use. Bullying and harassment can extend to the use of your device. Please remember to pause before you post. Any text messages or social media posts may be hurtful to someone. If you even think it might be inappropriate or hurtful, please do not say it. District guidelines apply to the use of all electronic devices, personal or school issued. Picture taking and video recording of content in violation of policy is also prohibited. Please be careful when using your devices. Weapons. It is a felony to possess, store, handle, transmit any weapon on school property, which includes a vehicle. If you are found with a weapon, consequences include immediate 10-day suspension and recommendation for expulsion. Students, if you become aware that a weapon is being brought to school or is on school property, Please notify an adult or staff member immediately. Self-reporting to an adult staff member may reduce consequences. Fighting and assault, obviously physical aggression and fighting is not tolerated at Blaine High School. The disciplinary action for assault and fighting will result in an immediate 5-day suspension. Your second career fight is a recommendation for expulsion. Any fight can result in expulsion depending on the seriousness of the incident. If you're having troubles with another student, please reach out to an adult. Tobacco, alcohols, and drugs, possession, use, and transmission of tobacco, nicotine products, e-cigarettes, or lookalikes, alcohol, drugs in any form is against school policy. Confiscated vape cartridges are subject to chemical testing. Thank you. Everyone benefits from a safe and positive climate. Please do your part in continuing to make Blaine High School a great place to be. Before you conclude today, make sure you complete the signature acknowledgement. After viewing the discipline video, use this QR code or the link below to complete the e-signature. Your signature acknowledges that you have viewed and understand the policies for the upcoming school year and trimester. Thank you.